Lee, can you give me a hand to move my race car, buddy?
Race car?
Yeah. You're not the only bloke who's got their name on their car, bud.
Mate, this doesn't even have an engine. How are you going to move it?
With my VPJ.
VPJ?
Yeah, Vehicle Positioning Jack. Do you want me to show you how to use it?
Yeah, I do.
Lee, this is the Vehicle Positioning Jack, mate. Super easy to use, like really easy to use. The capacity of this is about 680 kilograms per wheel, so easily do what my race car weighs. And the maximum wheel width is about 330 mil. So again, not a problem. Should do it easy. So this is basically straight out of the box. All you need to do is release the foot pedal by this little lever. Foot pedal comes up. This is the actual ratchet. All you need to do is unclip the side, which frees up the arms, which then you can adjust the right way.
Is there much maintenance required? I noticed a little bit of grease on the ratchet system.
Not much at all, Lee. It's just a little bit of grease on the ratchet here to lubricate it and keep it from rusting, and also a little bit of lubrication on the casters that do it the world of good. All you're gonna do, Lee, is just widen it so it gets under the tyre, pull the two ends together so you've got a firm fit, and then lock on the ratchet. And you should be ready to go there to start lifting that up. That'll do, mate. So when you're finished and you've got it off the ground, just put this locking pin in place to hold the jack pedal there. We're ready to go. Lee, before we go to move this car, mate, there's a couple of safety things that we need to cover off, some really important ones. Number one, that the floor that we're working with is super flat and it's clear of any debris on the floor. Debris could get into the casters there, it could ruin the wheels, so we want to make sure that's the case. And the number one thing is to be prepared for movement. So as soon as we've engaged all four of these like we have, we've got to be prepared that this car might move straight away. So do what we need to do. So I'm ready to move it. Let's do it.
Well, AJ, you're right, mate. We didn't need an engine to get this thing moving.
Told you it was easy, Lee. Nice and easy. All you're going to do now, because when we've positioned our vehicle in the right spot, is just to disengage the ratchet and take them off. To disengage it, all you do is put a bit of pressure on it, remove the clip from the foot pedal, disengage the main ratchet clip, lift it up slowly, all the way, and keep pumping the pedal. Great feature about the vehicle positioning jacks from Kincrome are that they're 100% compliant to the strict Australian standards. Another great addition to this set here is the jack stand, which you can be purchased separately, which is a great thing to nest these comfortably and make it nice and safe. I'll show you how to put them on. So you take one of the jacks, open it up nice and wide, fix the locking pin, you take this pin off, and it basically sits on top of the rubber arms there, and then goes across the back arm so it can lock into place. That keeps it from moving. It's nice and steady, and then the rest of the stands just nest on top of that. So I'll show you how that works. So the first one, just pick it up after it's been locked in place, and it just sits straight on top of there. The next one nests right next to it. And the last one. And there you have it. The vehicle positioning jack stand. It's a great compact way of storing your jacks. So what do you think of my car, Lee?
Look, it's got a bit of potential. How about a challenge?
What do you have in mind?
All right, I'm thinking a pit stop challenge type activity where we use the vehicle positioning jacks. We get on one of the front wheels each, 5 pump minimum, get it up off the ground. Once you're finished, hand up in the air. Loser buys lunch.
I love a free lunch.
Ready?
Set.
Go.